In front of me is VIVO Y01, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Android. First of all, you need to click on Play Store. Then tap on the search bar, type in iOS Launcher and install this free app from this developer. Then choose Open. Now you need to wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, select while using the app and allow. Finally, choose Home button. Then click on iOS Launcher. Select Always, tap on OK, and finally got it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. But if you wish to switch between them, you can always do that by going into Settings, scrolling down, choosing Apps and Notifications, then Default Apps, and finally Home app. If you wish to go back into your normal launcher, click on Quick Step. If you wish to apply Apple one, tap on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!